guys, guess what? Today we are going to be doing some fall decor shopping and some other seasonal things because fall literally just started and we haven't done anything for it. So the time to start is now. As you can see, I'm driving. I'm by myself today, and that's because I'm 18 and I really need to start adulting and doing things by myself. So this should be a pretty interesting experience. Of course, you already know we have to head over to Target because Target has all the fall decor. Let me get the directions to there and I'll see you when I'm at Target. All right, I made it to Target, and obviously the goal is to get some nice looking fall decor, but also I want to get some cookies because it doesn't feel like fall here. It's still so hot. And also, hopefully this is a way of me to meet people. Like I've been saying, we just moved here. I don't have any friends yet, but I'm willing to make some. You know, I thought this was gonna be super scary, but it's actually really fun doing this adulting thing. So let's head into the store. Okay, the first thing I'm looking for is like a fall throw blanket that I want for my bed. These are regular blankets. This is a nice fall color though. Not me already struggling. This is so awkward filming by myself. I don't want people to look at me funny. Why is this so zoomed in? I don't know if you've ever vlogged in public before. You know it's a little nerve-wracking, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I gotta do this for myself and for you guys. I'm not seeing anything fall yet though. Am I just not in the right section? Wait. This, what does that even say? There's some candles. Ooh, I think I just hit the jackpot. This is it. Ooh, we can get this for our door. My mom also wants me to get some pillows for the couch, and this one's actually nice. Has like threaded pumpkins on it. There's a throw blanket right here. I don't know if I'll get it though. I'm already messing up. I forgot to get a cart, but I have one now. Ugh, this has already been something and I've only been here for like 5 minutes. Let's go back to where we came from. Ooh, this one's, ooh, plush throw. Kind of like this. Another one too. This is green with pumpkins. I don't know which one's better. This might match with my room more, but I feel like the green doesn't give as many fall vibes as I want it to. I'll throw them both in the cart and decide later. For a second I thought I should put this on the couch, but I don't think I like it. This one's kind of cute. Throw it in just for good measure. Should I replace the plants that I have right now with these fall ones? $5. There's a whole bunch of fall snacks here. Should I try one of these? Ugh, I just found this and I actually really like the color and vibe of it, but it looks tampered with, like someone ripped it apart. So now I don't feel like I can get it. I'm not that much of a candle person, but I'm trying fall day. That's confusing. I don't even know what that's supposed to smell like. Sugared pear? That smells like the Bean Boozled challenge. What the heck? Anyways, I don't know if this is really going that well, but I'm trying. Let me show you what I have in my cart. I don't know if I showed you guys this yet, but this pillow is cute to me. We have a couple pillows in here and blankets, and this was random. I saw some pita chips and I've always wanted to get these, but I never do, so I'm getting them today. I don't know what it is, but literally any decor that's like 15 and up, I literally don't want to get it, even if I think it's nice. I didn't even create a budget for this or anything. I'm just here. Okay, that was something. I'm back from Target, and guess what? I literally just lost my left earring. Well, I didn't lose it. It fell on the pavement. Luckily, I knew where the earring was and where the back of the earring was, but now I can't wear it and I'm stuck with one earring. So this is just a lot. I don't even know how to describe this, but I'm happy that I got through it, guys. I've been to the store alone before, but I don't really go to the store alone while vlogging is the thing. This is definitely a new experience. I didn't meet anybody today because I don't know, we're all strangers, so it's kind of just, I guess, awkward if you just go up and talk to somebody sometimes, but who knows, maybe one day it will happen. I wanted to get some cookies, but I didn't get any because I'm not that familiar with Target's food section, and I had no idea where the like frozen cookies were, if they even had them. I only saw the box mixes of them. So yeah, let's see if there's a different store around here that I can go to. By the way, this came to a total of $46.81. I feel like that's a lot. They're a little overpriced, but then at the same time I get it. I just hope that I got the right things and my room looks good after this. Something we understand. Pumpkin cookie dough. That looks good too. Well, what's more fall than pumpkin, right? That's all I really need from here. Great, next stop is the mall, but I have to be fast so that these cookies don't melt and get gooey in here. But good thing is I'm literally right next to where the mall is. I think I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, and they also have Ross there, so we'll see if we can find any more room decor. Because if I find a lot of nicer things that are cheaper than Target, I might just return that stuff, to be honest. Here's the mall. Maybe I should go with a pink fall vibe. This is really cute, and it's 10 bucks. No, is it worth it? Let's see how much the pillows are. 20 bucks. This one's also 20, but it's pretty big, I think. Ooh, 2-pack of pillows. I could get this for the living room. Ooh, wait, I feel like I'm gonna find some cute ones. Gather and give thanks. It's giving Thanksgiving, literally. 17 bucks. So obviously I'm in Ross, but let me tell you, the pillows here are so much more affordable, or I should say cheaper. And I'm wondering if I should get these two. They're like a orangey coral color for only 18 bucks. And you get 2 of them. And then I also like this one as well. I feel like it'll bring more fall vibes, which is what I'm looking for. I've got to make sure that I really want what I'm looking at. I'm back home, and as you can see, I'm munching on some Skittles right now. Not sponsored, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an OOTD because I feel like my outfit is giving fall. Fall and summer combined, I guess I should say. So I have this black cami top. It's super cute. I got this from Shein. Some light blue baggy jeans. I think I got these from Forever 21, but I'm not fully sure. And I'm wearing black socks right now, but you guys probably saw earlier in the vlog that I was wearing my thick black and white Converse. I forgot the name of them, but you probably saw them earlier, so. I know I literally just finished decorating my new room for the first time, but we gotta take most of it down and replace it with the fall decor. I wish I had better lighting in here. Before we fully decorate everything, let me show you a little bit of a haul so you know what I'm putting on my bed and everything. From Target, I got this decorative throw pillow for $10. I got another one for $15. I think this one's cuter. It'll probably match my room more as well because it's more pastel. Ooh, that rhymed as well because it's more pastel. And of course, I had to get some kind of throw blanket to make it more fall vibes. I don't know. I feel like you just gotta have some kind of orangey, red or yellow blanket. So here it is. The good thing about this one is you can flip it on the other side, a white fluffy side. So maybe I could use this for Christmas as well or just any other season. This has nothing to do with decor. From Ross, I got this 2-piece set of throw pillows, and I feel like this should all match. And I got a bathroom mat because I've been wanting this for a long time. That's it. Let's get back to decorating. All right, everyone, I'm done decorating. Are you ready to see the final product? Here it is. Wow, look at how cute this is. This actually turned out better than I thought it would. As you can see right here is where I put my throw blanket, and I tilted it a little just to give it more of an aesthetic vibe. And obviously up here we have multiple pillows that I bought. Actually, this is basically it. I could have got like little pumpkins to put around my room, but I decided not to. This was good enough for me. And ended it off with this cinnamon roll squishmallow, which is perfect for fall. And I've just had that laying around, so it made sense to put it on my bed. I also changed my pillow sheets to these gray ones. Yeah, there it is. Hope you guys like this. I guess it was all worth it because I spent over $60 for this. But why be upset? It's too cute. All right, everyone, a change of scenes. We are now in my kitchen because I'm about to make some pumpkin cookies. I don't know. I found this pumpkin cookie dough at Walmart, and of course, it's perfect for this fall vlog. This says you can eat it right out of the package. I kind of want to try. This is what it looks like right out of the package. I don't know. Yum. Anyways, the oven's already preheated, so let's get into this. I got some parchment paper, guys. I've never used parchment paper before, but I guess it's good to use it because it keeps your cookies from sticking to the pan. And also, you probably don't have to wash your pan after you bake anything. Whoa, that piece was way too big for this. Okay. Okay, that's a lot better. I hope you guys are enjoying these new vlogs. As you can tell, I'm trying to change up my content and keep things fun for both me and you guys that are watching. And also, I'm entering a new chapter in my life. I'm 18. I've got to start adulting, and I'm definitely excited to share that experience with you guys. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and click the post notification bell so you don't miss my future posts. All right, the cookies are all in here. I'm only making 5, bake for 14 to 18 minutes. All right. Hey Siri, set timer for 18 minutes.
18 minutes, counting down.
Let's go put these in the oven. Anyways, I'm proud of myself for what I've done today, going to the store by myself, even the mall. I don't think I've ever been to the mall alone, so that was pretty cool. I got my room decorated for fall. It's super cute. Stay tuned for more things being posted on my Instagram and TikTok because, you know, when my room's decorated, I'm definitely gonna be filming in there. The vlog is not ending yet, but if you made it to this point, I love you so much. Thanks for watching. And also, guys, I really want to know what you want to see. That's not necessarily fidget related because remember, I'm adulting. So comment down below some video suggestions that you have for me. And also give this video a big giant thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. All right, now I'll see you when the cookies are done. Wow, these look and smell so delicious. I'm excited for these now. Ooh. Why am I touching the hot pan? Let me get it together. But I love cookies, so you can tell I'm excited for this. The cookies have cooled down and I'm so ready to try this. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Here we go. I was considering baking them longer to get it more crispy, but it didn't need that. 17 to 18 minutes was great for me. This is so good. If you're a cookie lover and you want to get into the fall season, definitely try these cookies. Not sponsored, by the way. Okay, here, I'll give you guys one because I know you want to try this. I gotta end this vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, you already know what to do. Please make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future posts. Also, please make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.